Conditional formatting automates the process of highlighting or modifying styles of data, making it easier to spot trends and patterns. The formatting options include changing text colors, background colors, and font styling. To use conditional formatting, select either a single cell or a range of cells that you want to format. Click on Format in the top menu, then select Conditional Formatting from the drop-down. In the Conditional Format Rules pane that appears on the right, choose the type of formatting you want to apply. You can choose between single color to apply a specific color to cells that meet certain criteria, or color scale to apply a gradient of colors based on the values in the cells. Check or set the range it is to apply to. It can be a single cell, a range of cells, rows or columns, or entire rows or columns. Set the format rules, which will define what will trigger the formatting. This can be cell quantity values, text values, date values, or an entirely custom formula. Set the formatting style, which defines what formatting will be applied once the format rules have been met. Click Done to apply the formatting to your data. If you want to apply conditional formatting to the same range with a different condition or formatting style, click on the rule previously set, then click Add another rule. This will pre-fill the conditional formatting rules with the same data. Conditional formatting can be edited and adjusted by navigating to the affected cells, opening the conditional formatting panel, and selecting the appropriate option to modify.